So here we're asked to evaluate each of the following expressions without a calculator. So 125 to the power of 1/3. Power of 1/3 is the same thing as saying the cube root. So what multiplies by itself 3 times to get to 125? And that would be 5 for the first one. Second one is 125 to the power of 2/3, which is exactly the same, except that 2 in the numerator of the exponent just means I'm squaring whatever answer I get after cube rooting. So since I know that this is 5, 5 squared is 25. So 125 to the power of 2/3 is just 25. Okay, negative 2/3. Now we're throwing a new thing into the loop here. So I'm really saying 125 to the power of 2/3 to the power of -1, which just means 1 over all of this because it's power of -1. And I know all this underlined in blue here is just 25. So really my final answer for this one should be 1 over 25. And lastly, -125 to the power of 2/3 is, okay, I know the answer off the top of my head, but how do I explain this best? Okay, so cube root of -125 squared. Because I'm taking the cube root of a negative, cube rooting a negative is okay because really you can see that I'm just doing -5 times itself 3 times. So I get -5 squared, which is also just equal to 25. So you can take the cube root of negative numbers. We end up squaring it anyways, which makes it back to positive. So this one was 1 over 25, and this one here is just also 25 here. And there's the answer for all four.